sorry for my voice. It's not because of a rock concert yesterday night. It's Brussels weather. But anyway, so let's start with a very simple question. And if you can address it, I think we have done the day. What is sovereign cloud? What it is? I'm sure if I ask each of you what is sovereign cloud, I will have as many responses as you are. So everybody is talking about sovereign cloud, but we don't have a basic common definition. So when you look at what is in terms of requirements, you will tell, oh, it's about data residency. Yes. It's about Cloud Act and how we protect from foreign laws, how we protect from any external influence. Yes. How we protect in terms of security, the data, the access. How we protect from the local operations, from the support, who is going to take care of the software which has access to the data. Yes. But how we protect the metadata, because we are talking about data, but metadata is as important, if not more, sometimes to know about the intelligence about the business. Yes. But it's all about portability and interoperability as well, because you can't drive your future without a capacity to drive the choice of partners. So portability and interoperability are in the core. So it's a complex topic. We have a lot of requirements. In a short, I would say it's about choice and control. But full choice and full control. Be sure that this is your asset, your investment over time. At any important time, you have the full control of what we do and what others don't do with your asset. So today, there is no standard definition. That's a fact. We are working. The industry is working. Sometimes we have also some big confusion of religions. People say, I don't need a sovereign cloud. I need a trusted cloud. Ah, why? And you have all of the exact same requirements. But it's a question of terminology. By industry, if you go to banks, they would say, no, sovereign cloud is for public sector. If you go to public sector, no, I need a government cloud. Okay. So, not easy. On top of that, we have, and you have seen a lot of announcement of market leaders who are promoting a new offer of a sovereign cloud. Oh. We have a new offer of, I will not name, but you can imagine, some of significant market leaders. Wow. How they have been able to come to this announcement that it's a sovereign cloud? It's easy, there is no definition, there is no standard. So we need to understand what is the exact set of capabilities. And when you look at all of this complexity, it's clear that we need clarity and we need alignment between the technology, the standard, and the regulation. And this is what we want to do today. Today we want to give clarity and better alignment, having a very solid capacity to connect different stakeholders, because it's not a single problem for a single response. We need to get input from industry leaders, regulators, policymakers, the different end users from the different industries, analysts, specialists. All of that have a part of the understanding of what is the agenda, what it is from an end user perspective as from a supplier perspective, what it is for the European-based headquarters of different solutions. So all of these input are absolutely valid, and this is what we want to do in this European event on sovereign cloud. And it's a unique opportunity because we have today more than 500 people actively involved as you are here and remote. So thank you for attending this day. So with that, we expect at the end of the day to have a better understanding of the clarity, a better agenda on what is already in place, what are the different experiences you will see in the afternoon, what are the different vision and strategy developed by the different stakeholders in the morning, in the keynotes. So all day you will get experience sharing, you will have very concrete insight to help having a better understanding and to have a better common view of what is the agenda, what is in scope. So the last for my intro, for sure, why VMware is facilitating this event. I will not do a marketing pitch, okay? We have a very unique position as an enabler. So we are not at VMware a solution per se, as an hyperscaler or a cloud provider. We do provide technology as enabler, but what we want to share is our experience, our ecosystem, and our technology leadership on multi-cloud. So our experience is very solid because as we speak today, in Europe, we have deployed more than 300 government and defense cloud in Europe. So we have a large track record of very confidential, very secret type of environment, more than 300 government and defense cloud today. Our ecosystem, as we speak, we have 21 European-based company, cloud service provider, who have joined the Sovereign Cloud program according to a definition of 20 control points. So it's not a marketing event, it's a very detailed self-assessment with a very thorough process of analyzing the assessment for ensuring full alignment of the requirement on Sovereign Cloud, 20 control points, and 21 partners have been through, and we are pleased now to deliver services for Sovereign Cloud across the different countries in Europe, included South Africa, which has been the latest announcement of a new Sovereign Cloud partner. So it's not limited to Europe because this problem, like GDPR has been in the past, Europe is leading, but it's a common problem everywhere in the world. How to protect the digital asset on the long term, how to ensure resiliency and continuity of service in a choice and control approach. So with that, I think I'm, on time for a great next step. So Paul, thank you. And I will be pleased to come back at the end of the day at 4 o'clock for a wrap-up, collecting the different takeaway, and also you will see an interesting information that you will provide. We will explain you more in a few minutes. So Paul, the floor is yours. Thank you.